Alright, so this is a problem I'm having with my lawnmower. It'll run for about a minute, kind of stutter and stumble, and then it won't continue to run. I rebuilt the carburetor. Well, I didn't rebuild, but I cleaned the carburetor with carburetor cleaner, metal brush, the whole 9 yards. Replaced the spark plug, replaced the air filter, checked the gas, checked the oil, actually changed the oil while I was at it, and I'm not sure what's going on with it. If anybody out there can help me figure out what it is, this is a Murray Select 22-inch 6.5, and here's the serial number. Take a quick snapshot of that, and anybody can help me out. I'd love to know. That way I don't have to be out 170 some bucks. I spent 30 bucks on it with a couple of things, but I just don't know really what the problem might be. But if anybody out there in the world can help me, appreciate it. Thanks, bye.